Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, like I said, we are going to kick off by installing of Django. I'm going to check the version of Django that we are going to make use of, and there are some commands that Django tends to provide us. So the first thing I'm going to do is come to this your search the web and the window and type was cmd. This is going to prompt you your command prompt and then hit enter for it to run your command prompt. So inside this of your command, what I'm going to do is actually pip what install what Django. It's just simple as that and then hit enter. In my case, I already have it installed already. Okay, as you can see, this shows that default user initialization because normal side package is not writable. Requirement to already satisfy Django and slash program Python 310 leave site package. I don't think this video I'm going to show you how to install Python on your computer. I've already done that in my previous video, but you can see in my situation I already have Django installed already. In case if in your case if you do not have Django, it's going to run a whole lot of things. I'm going to install a whole lot of things. Make sure you have internet connection before I run this pip install Django. So after you are done, you can start to check the version of Django you have. So this is Python what it's going to say Python hyphen what Django dash what version. Just with this simple command I hit enter, it's going to show you the version of Django that you have. As you can see, in my case I have 4.2.3. maybe in the near future maybe some command I will have here is going to work off for this of 4.2.3 or maybe a higher version or maybe a little bit lower version, but it's always a good idea if you have Django at least 4.3. Yeah, don't checking the version of Django. Next we want to do is actually look at some of the commands that Django tends to provide us. So we can do our Django hyphen what admin. So this admin hit enter. It's going to prompt out a whole lot of commands that we can make using Django. Like I can see this check, compile messages, create catch table, lot of things. But in our case, we are going to make use of this migration, migrate, run server, and SQL migrate, test server, start project, and start app. We are going to make use of a whole lot of all these guys. So this is one of some of the I can see some of the commands that Django tends to provide us. So next what we're going to do is actually to create our project, and how to do that is basically simple because the way Django works is that you're going to create the entire project and then you're going to create a particular app inside out of the project. To do this is just basically simple. So in the next video, that's what we're going to do. In the next video, we're going to create out of the project and then we're going to create our app inside of the project. I have multiple apps inside of a particular project, but in this in our situation we're going to just create a single app for us to actually understand this, and then as we go on we're going to create multiple apps inside a particular project. So I'll be happy to see in the next video where we're going to create a project and an app inside of our project. So I'll be happy to see in that video. Thank you for watching.